Here is my pet cat, Blue, on his top 5 cuteness moments. The last one is a secret that you will laugh, but first hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are a cat lover. If you don't, you are not a cat lover. Number 1. Blue, there's nothing left. You ate it all? You think I bought this just for one day? Fine, you win, but only 'cause you're adorable, Mr. Fluffy Prince. Number 2. Here we go again, sleeping right after eating. You do nothing but sleep and act cute all day. But fine, you win again, Mr. Cutie. Number 3.
This is my cat in a deep dream.
Number 4. Blue, I should scold you. Hey, but oh no, you're too cute again. Fine, you win again, you little cutie. And for the number 5. And now his snoring, dreaming again some treats. I love you, Blue. Thank you for watching. See you on the next adventure of Blue.